Reading Pioneers is proud to present Sammy Learns to Keep Calm, written by Sara Israel. Sammy just arrived home from school, excited to play with his new set of tools. He runs to his room to get a screw and a wrench. He remembers he placed them on his bench. But when he arrives, he stops and sees his sister using them with her dollies. His face gets red and he starts to yell. When his mother walks in, she can tell that he needs a break, so she takes him out. Sammy, what can we do instead of shout? He closes his eyes and counts slowly to 10. Then he opens his eyes, and that is when he quietly says, "Taking someone's things is something we don't do. Please give me back my wrench and my screw." Sammy is hungry and goes down to eat. But his brother is sitting in his seat. He sees he took the last yogurt. So Sammy walks over and tries to hurt. His mother holds him by the hand. "The way you feel, I understand. But let's think of a better way so that calm and relaxed you can stay." Sammy goes to get a book from his many stories in the Nook about a silly juggling red-nosed clown, and Sammy feels himself calm down. Sammy was playing ball with his friends when he kicked and it landed over the fence. He started feeling all upset. He kicked and screamed and made a mess. But then he remembered what his mother said. It's okay to feel upset, but try taking a walk and you won't regret. So Sammy walked around the yard and felt much better. It wasn't hard. Tonight, Sammy wants to have a sleepover, but Mommy said on school nights, never. Sammy feels his face turn red, but he turns and takes a breath instead. Now, when Sammy gets angry or mad, or maybe even frustrated a tad, he knows to stop and think and do what will make him feel better, or even brand new. The end. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to Sara Israel's book, Sammy Learns to Keep Calm, children's rhyming storybook about learning strategies to stay calm and control anger. One thing I really liked about this book was the various methods Sammy used to calm down and control his anger. Even today, when things don't go as expected, I can get upset, but it's the breathing techniques and calming strategies that help me control my emotions. If you enjoyed this book, please support Sara by visiting Amazon, where you can purchase Sammy Learns to Keep Calm as a Kindle ebook or paperback for yourself or a loved one. Once there, you'll see that this book is actually part of a children's book series called Sammy Learns, which you can read along with me by subscribing to this YouTube channel. You can follow Sara on Pinterest at ESI Publishing, and I'll provide all of those links in the description box below. Sara asked me to read all of her Sammy Learns books on this channel, and I'm so thankful of this opportunity. If you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would really help this channel if you like the video, share it with your friends and family, and of course, subscribe to stay notified for the next Read Aloud coming soon. Unfortunately, this is the end of the video. While waiting for the next Sammy Learns Read Aloud, remember to visit Amazon to purchase this inspiring book. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.